Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I have a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put headlight bulbs in the front. The ones I'm going to be changing out are the dim lights right here. Now if you're having problems getting your bulb in like I am, go ahead and take this bolt out and this bolt out and remove this headlight, the whole assembly. You need to unplug this harness wire right here. Just push down on this button and pull it out. Now you want to pop out this side first. Just grab it right here and pull. Might be able to grab and push from the inside. There you go, it's a little tight, but it will come off. And this side should come off. And then you have the whole assembly in your hand. This is the bulbs I purchased. Here is the part number if you need to look it up. Just pull this up, unlatch it from right here, open this up. And this is what it looks like. I got these little prongs on the side. So that's pretty heavy too. This is I think it's got a fan in it. Yeah, right there. It does have a fan. So what I'm going to do right now is go pull out the old bulb. Now I want to share this with you because with this thing right here, it's aluminum. At least it feels like aluminum. But I had to take these pliers and I had to grab it right here. As you can see where I scratched it up a little bit. And that's the only way I could get this to twist in. I couldn't do it by hand. So just be aware of that. If yours is as tough as mine, I actually had to take the pliers, put it on here like so, and I had to turn it to get it in. And then everything worked out pretty good. It's in there. It's not coming out until I need to replace it. Go ahead and put the cap back on it. Right here's where that plug goes in. Go ahead and stick this end in first and just push it. Go ahead and put the two bolts in it and don't forget to plug it in the back. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.